Sinabi ko sa Pilipinas, I'm really excited to join the pamilya natin. And excited to perform.
Ano bang pwede mong i-share sa amin para sa iyong As of Vancouver experience?
Actually, hindi ko pa na-rehearse yung gagawin. So, mamaya ko pala siya na-rehearse. And good luck sa akin. Sana mag-enjoy tayo lahat.
And lastly, what's your message sa lahat ng fans na naghintay sa'yo pa sa airport?
Maraming salamat. Of course, napakainit na pagtanggap. And see you all there.
Malamig sa labas.
And we just have one question from our media partner, John din ng Pangalan.
Alright, so if you could describe wait lang po. Pa-clear lang po.
Okay. So, do you roll?
Pa-clear lang po na middle. Sorry. Pa-clear lang po. Alright, Mike. We'll be rolling here. I have two questions.
Okay.
Alright. Ready? Rolling. Quiet lang po. Okay, first question. Ngayon na nandito ka sa Vancouver for ASAP, ano naman yung nafe-feel mo?
It's nice. Welcome by so many Pinoys. I'm just really excited for the show this weekend.
And if you could describe ASAP in one word, what would it be?
Oh, shucks.
English or Tagalog, okay lang, no pressure.
I don't know, dude. Best show.
Last question.
Yeah.
So, I mean, quick message lang sa mga fans.
Maraming salamat, of course, for always supporting us, especially pag may show dito sa Canada. For taking your time to be with us, and we're just so excited to give you a good show, our best show in Vancouver this weekend. So enjoy, guys.
Kay Pogi. Ay, kasama kay Papa Pito.